Hello, this video is all about best Instagram Reel growth strategies. If you're interested, keep on watching. And before we start, please give this video a like and share it so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Having a strategy for your Instagram Reels can help you create more effective and engaging content. It can also help you to better understand your audience and what type of content they enjoy. A good strategy can also help you to focus your efforts and allocate your resources more efficiently. By setting goals and outlining a plan for how you will achieve them, you can increase the chances of your Reels being successful and growing your following on Instagram. Additionally, a clear strategy can help you to measure your progress and track your success over time. There are several reasons why you might want to use Instagram Reels and why it can be beneficial to keep growing it. Number 1. To increase visibility. Instagram Reels appear in a dedicated section of the app, which means that they have the potential to be seen by a larger audience. 2. To engage with your audience. Reels can be fun, an interactive way to engage with your followers and create a sense of community. 3. To stand out from the competition. With so much content on Instagram, it can be difficult to get noticed. Reels can help you to stand out and differentiate yourself from other accounts. Number 4. To increase your reach. Reels that perform well have the potential to go viral and be shared by other users, which can help to increase your reach and bring in new followers. 5. Promote your business or brand. If you have a business or brand, Reels can be a great way to showcase your products or services and attract new customers. So, here are best Instagram Reel growth strategies. Number 1. Create high-quality content that is engaging and resonates with your audience. To grow your Instagram Reels, you need to create content that people want to watch and share. This means considering your target audience and what type of content they enjoy, and then creating Reels that are visually appealing, informative, or entertaining. You should also try to make your Reels unique and stand out from the competition. Number 2. Use relevant hashtags in your caption and on your Reel. Hashtags are a great way to get your Reels in front of a wider audience. When you use relevant hashtags in your caption or on your Reel, you make it easier for people who are searching for content related to those hashtags to discover your Reels. Third, collaborate with other creators and participate in Reel challenges. Collaborating with other creators can help expose your content to new audiences, and participating in Reel challenges is a great way to get involved in trending topics and potentially go viral. Number 4. Engage with your followers and other users. Interacting with your followers and other users on Instagram can help build a sense of community and keep people coming back to your profile. This means commenting on and liking other users' content, as well as responding to comments and messages from your own followers. Number 5. Use Instagram's editing tools and features. Instagram provides a range of editing tools and features that you can use to make your Reels more visually appealing and creative. This includes filters, music, text, stickers, and more. Experiment with these tools to see what works best for your content. Number 6. Post consistently. To keep your followers engaged and attract new ones, it's important to post consistently on Instagram. This means finding a posting schedule that works for you and sticking to it. And lastly, number 7. Use Instagram's analytics. Instagram's Creator Studio provides analytics that can help you track the performance of your Reels and understand how your content is resonating with your audience. By using these analytics, you can adjust your strategy and focus on the types of content that are most effective. In conclusion, there are a number of ways to grow your Instagram Reels. By applying these strategies, you can increase the visibility and appeal of your Reels and attract more followers. These strategies can help you build a strong presence on Instagram and achieve your goals on the platform. And there you have it, best Instagram Reel growth strategies. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can make cold emails easy? Run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. Introducing Pursue App by Technic Force. Cold email automation done right. Pursue app makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Here's what you can get in Pursue app: personalized cold email marketing engine, commercial license, lead verification system, custom-crafted customer journeys, multi-event triggers for email, deep analytics and reporting, warm leads identification, A/B testing, ready-made email themes for many niches, events and conversion tracking, integration with thousands of apps with Zapier, inbuilt API for custom integrations, multi-user support, support for Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, and SMTP, agency license, 1 year free update, 24/6 support, cold email training, and ready-made cold email campaigns. So try Pursue app now. Just go to getpursueapp.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.